Hello and welcome back to our channel of Free Trade Analysis. If you guys are new to our channel, then please hit that subscribe button and do click on the bell icon as well so you guys can continue to receive regular updates from our end and you guys do not miss on any of the profitable scenarios that we discuss on a regular basis. Okay, so now let us continue with the discussion of DXY, which is the US dollar index. Okay, so when we were discussing this, it was on Monday, 22nd of April. On Monday night, we were discussing and we identified the major trend as a buying pattern. But you guys can clearly see that market is in a sideways movement and market has tested our support area quite a few times and it has even gone below our area of support, but it has regained its momentum and came back within our marked area of support and resistance. Okay, so now let us see that how the market is going to behave on the next working day, which will be on 29th of April, which will be the next week's Monday. Okay, so first of all, let us identify the long term trend. Okay, as you guys can see in the 4-hour chart, market is continuously going upwards. Okay, so the momentum is still in the buying zone. Okay, you guys can see that market made this high and this was the lower high. Okay, and but this lower high was broken by this area. Okay, so now you guys have to figure out that what is the current momentum. Okay, so let me make it more clear for you guys. Okay, so let me remove these for a little while so you guys can understand the concept that I am trying to deliver. Okay, so what you guys have to figure out is that market was continuously going upwards. Okay, there was a huge buying pressure, there is no doubt about that, but you guys can clearly see that market is in a very sideways movement in this area. Okay, so majorly what we are looking at is that we try to identify the pattern in this long term trend. Okay, so you guys can clearly see that this was the highest area. Okay, this highest area was respected over here and over here as well. Okay, but you guys can see that market made this high and this was the lower low. Okay, then market made this high and this was the lower low. And what you guys have to identify is that once again when market made this, then market did not respect this higher low. Okay, and especially this area, market market went down. Okay, from here you guys can see that. Okay, now you guys have to say that this is the area of support which we have already marked, and market tried to regain over here, but market was rejected from this level. Okay, you guys can see, and then once again market came back down to this level, and once again market tried to reach this level, and now this level is acting as a short-term resistance. And now you guys can once again see that market tried to go up, but again this area is now acting as an area of resistance. Okay, so you guys to figure it out for yourself that this lower high and this lower high has now been broken, and now this is a low and this is a lower low. Okay, so what I am looking at is that there is a possible trend reversal on the way now. Okay, so I think that now this area is going to act as an short term resistance instead of short term support. Okay, so now let us move forward the scenarios for tomorrow. So you guys have to be vigilant that from this area market might go downwards. Okay, this huge buying momentum might not carry on further because the market is now moving towards downwards. Unless market breaks this area of resistance, then we can maybe look for some buying opportunities, but from this area I don't think that it's a wise idea to do more buying, and I think we should look for selling opportunities from this area and from this zone as well now. Okay, so now let us move forward these scenarios. Okay, So currently market is over here, so these will be the scenarios that are going to remain same. And now let us move forward the remaining scenarios as well. Okay, so now if you guys have any questions, just let me know in the comment section. I think I have made it pretty clear that which side of the market you guys have to prefer. I think my preference would be to stay in the selling side of the market, as the whole week market has been pressing down, and it is highly likely that market will go down from here. Okay, and the momentum is going to change, and this buying market will now swing towards the selling market. Okay, and this buying trend is going to change. Okay, so that's all for today for the US dollar index. I will see you guys on Monday night with fresh scenarios. Till then, have safe trading, and never risk more than 1% of your total equity. Thank you.